Good evening to all of you. This is Sachin Shukla. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Team Super Cluster. My dear friends, my dear students, today I'm not going to teach you any topic, any subject. I'm going to take you the 5, 10 or 15 minutes. It's not going to be more than longer 15 minutes. This session is for students, for parents, and for those students who are preparing for the competitive examinations. So we know that this is a tough situation for us. This is crisis situations. Not only the India, even the whole world is facing these problems. This is a catastrophic situation for us. So we need to stay home, stay safe, and keep study. But for us as well as students, it is true you need to be staying home. But what you are doing for your study? I know this is a bad time. It's a bad situation. But what you are doing for your study? In this duration, you have also a golden opportunities. You are residing in your homes, but make the proper plans. What you have done in your past life, what you have done in the previous classes, you will not repeat the same things, the same mistake in the sessions. Analyze yourselves. Think that what the mistake you have committed, what was your weak area. I have to work on that weak area. I will improve myself because you know yourself better than anyone. What is your weak questions? You make the list of them, and then after that, continue your study for the next sessions. What the current situation is going there. So we know that this time, this COVID catastrophic situation not only exists for 1 month, even it might be exist for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Don't know that what will be the situation. The great countries like the US, UK, Italy, Germany and France facing all this problem. So definitely we are here, we are in India, we are tackling this problem. But in parallel, we don't want to that affect our studies. So students, so it is in this duration, in this period, I want to tell you that ask yourself what you want to become in the future. What do you want to become in the future? Take ample of time. I want to become engineer, I want to become a doctor, I want to go in the civil fields, I want to go in defense field. Make it a proper plan in papers, and when you are going to sit at the study tables, stick on that in front of you that, and say yourself before going to study that it is my aim, and I will fulfill, I will achieve it at any situation, at any cost. I know that you will face many problems, but don't make excuses. Don't make excuse for your studies. Say that it's okay that I have listened that many students say, sir, I am not coming to classes, I am not studying, I am failing, I have failed because of that, I was suffering from this problem. I know that, it's okay that you are suffering from it, I accepted that, but don't make excuse with your study. If you want to make the excuses, then make excuse for your study. That's, I am studying, that's why I will not go to the markets, I am studying, that's why I will not go to I will not chat social, I will not use the social networking site, I will not go to the friend's home because I am studying. If you want to make excuses, then make excuse for your study, not for that's I don't want to study. Any pain is not the permanent. I know that you will say that I am facing this problem. Accept it that you have the pain, but the pain is not your permanent pain. Says that I will tackle this pain, I will solve this problem, and I am sure that I will become a successful person when I am, what is my aim. You know, attitude matters a lot. I want to tell you that, have you imagined that why the lion is called the king of forest? Lions, why the lion is called the king of forest? Even in this forest, the wisest animal chimpanzee, the longest animal giraffe, the highest animal elephant resides, even that, the lion is called the king of forest because of attitude. The lion knows that if I am hunger, any will come in front of me that I will eat. No one can be in front of me. The same concept apply in the students' life that. Accept that even if there is only a single seat in the examination, I will crack it, I will take it at any situation. Don't worry for that. Make the positive attitude in your life. Say, I will crack at any situations. The problems, students, a lot of the fascinating ideas come in our life. Before going to the bed in a night, we say that, oh, I will do these stuffs, I will do this in the next morning. But when we wake up, I do the same thing what I was doing in the previous day. 95% of the people of this world, they do the same thing what I was doing in the previous life. But 5 to 1%, 1 to 5%, they do something the difference, because they know that it is the tough journey. It is the tough journey. Today is the tough. Today is tough. Tomorrow is work, but the day after tomorrow will be the sunshine. So students, at any situation, promise yourself that my study will not deteriorate, my student will not be affected any situation. I will work for my study. I will become a successful person in my life. If you have become a weak, you are any mistake. I know that if you have become a fail in your life, okay, accept it that I failed. Okay, accept it. It says that I failed, but analyze that why you have become a failure in your life. Okay, you have done mistakes. Accept it that and say that yourself that, oh, this mistake I have done, but I will not repeat in my life. This mistake is a wonderful revenue for your life. This mistake will teach you that how you can become a successful in your life. And those students who are at the top rankers, who are first getting the top rankers and achieving the first position is not the good. Retaining in that period is most important for you there. So also you have to make proper strategy. That's why how can I recite it like that? How can be the permanent here? Is there anyone coming in the environment? Is there anyone who is coming to me there? Is there anyone who can challenge me that? So always update to yourself. Always update to yourself. Because your competition is not limited to your classroom, your competition is not limited to your city, your competition is not limited to your state, your competition is not only limited to only in India, even that. Your competition is across the world. Take it the challenge and says that I will do, I can do. Any pen is not permanent for you that, and say that I will do at any situation, Ask yourself, so this team super cluster, being the teacher, being the motivator, I want to tell you that students, you have any problem in your life, that this team super cluster is relentlessly working for you. That this is not someone says that, sir, you have come before the 2 months. No, we are not here for 2 months. You can imagine, see that we are working for past 2 and 3 years, where we are going to and accepting the teacher. They are highly experienced teacher. We are searching for more than 2 years. Then after that, we sit at the tables and decided that the team faculty, we can find that they are very experienced teacher. They are very energetic. They are going to provide you educations like that. Educations. I am not going to take the name of any renowned institute. You can see them in online platform, even that offline. They have a mass number of students, but see the success rate that. How many of they have given that? They have given a false promise to students. The same things apply for me that. Why? But I want to promise oneself that you can match the quality and content of our teachers from the others. That's why I am in your journey. What you have decided to your future, fight for that and say yourself that I will fight till the death, man. I will fight. And I know one thing that really, one student had messaged me in the last night, sir, will you provide will you exist permanently? I say that I promise to from this platform that the teachers teams says to me that those students who cannot afford a fee, those students who are disabled, I will not going to charge them a single rupees. Today I am revealing my identity. I am Navodians. I proud myself from the Janvi. I have utilized the government of India resources of 7 years. I have don't pay any rupees for food, any rupees for study. That's why it's my duty to repay all the nation. So for those students, we are not going to charge any fee, any rupees, any fancy. And for the parents, I want to tell you that don't prescribe to your son and daughter to do these things. First of that, what they want to become in the future, see them that, where they are interested, and join hands with them that, and say that, okay, you can do that. Always motivate them. Say you can do that. You cannot pressurize them that. Try to know that what they want to become futures. And then after that, I request to all parents here that, and then analyze and say to them, okay, you will do. I am always stand with you. That's and the last, I will not take the longer time for the teachers team. You can watch it that their experienced teacher, Rajesh Tiwari sir, Sanjay Mishra sir, S.K. Singh sir, and the youngest motivated teachers, PN sir, and the lovable teachers of all the Ranjan Mishra sir, Ranjan sir. They are working relentlessly in this platform, even that's in lockdown period situation. Imagine that they say that, okay sir, students education will not be deteriorated, sir, we will provide a continuously education. I would like to thank and salute the system. In the last, my teammates like Manjeet sir and Sekhar sir, I would like to thanks for them. So students, promise to self-save, I will become a successful at any situation. You have any problem, message, my team is coordinating with you. But in your journey, continuously fight for your future, for your dreams, and fix your goal. I have to become a successful person at any situation. Thanks for watching me here.